So now let's talk about the arithmetic equations. Okay. So what do you understand by arithmetic equations?
Plus, minus, dividation,
Exactly. Plus, or we can say the minus
multiple.
or multiplication or dividend, right? So these are our arithmetic equation. So in our school life, we did like first number is equal to suppose 3 and second number is equal to suppose 4. So we are doing the total for addition suppose. Okay. So total is equal to, if I want to do addition, so what will happen? First number, right, plus second number means 3 plus 4, 7. Getting this point?
Yes.
Correct. So this thing we have did into our school life, college life, every time whenever we do any program, simply we will do this one. So with our RP also, first we will do that how we can do this arithmetic equation, all the operations. Okay, it is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or the division. So now let please I request everyone, okay, create a new bot and give a name arithmetic equation.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. So now first thing, okay, to store these values, okay, what we will do first, we will create the two variables, right? So let's click on variable. So now which variable type we need to take?
Number,
Right. We
number.
are doing the addition. So simply we need to take a number. If you take a string, it will not add do the addition. It will do 3 plus 4, 34. Right. If you define it is as
Uh,
a string one. Okay, but if you define the number one, then only it will do the additions. Remember this thing. So here I'll create the first variable, first number, and let's suppose value 3. Create. Similar for second, v second number, and value will be suppose 4. Right. Now in total should be the blank variable because we are counting the total with the bot, right?
yes.
Okay, so do not give any default value, simply just create a number type of v total and save it. Once you did done with this one, check this one. Now, if you see over to this step, what simply we are doing, we are assigning this first number plus second number to the total, right?
Yes.
What we are doing, we are assigning the first number plus second number to total. Same thing, we will do it over here. So for that one, you have the name called as, action called as assign. Simply search for assign. So once you search for assign, here you will found a multiple options. Assign boolean, data table, date time, dictionary, file, and so on. So can you guys tell me which action will be suitable over here?
Number,
Right, number one. Why number one?
because we are assigning numbers.
Right, we are assigning the number variables. So simply click on this number, drag and drop this assign variable over here. Okay, now here it will be asking for source and destination. So what will be my source from here? What will be the sources values, guys?
First number and second number.
Right,
3 and 4.
first number and second number. So simply here also while taking the variables, okay, now it is a assigned type of number. So it will only display the number variables over in your drop down list. It will not display over here a string values. Remember this thing. Okay.
Okay.
So first number, insert plus simply our operator, then go for next, that is second number. And what will be our destination variable?
Total.
Right, total.
Mm.
And save it. Now, if I want to display the total, which action I need to take?
Message box.
Exactly, message box and
Yeah.
drag and drop the things. Now, if I press F2, it is not showing me any variable over here. Why? I told you this one, right? Why it is not displaying anything?
String and
What is the rule of message box? It
It
accepts
stores
only string
value.
values, right? It accepts only string values, right, guys?
Yes.
Correct. But here it is not displaying that number one. So how we can do that one? So suppose the variable is instead of string one, okay, maybe it's a boolean or number or any other variable. Simply press shift dollar. What I'm saying, simply press shift dollar. Once you press this one, all types of variable will be available over here. See, getting this point? Number, string, dictionary, every kind of variables. Guys, getting this point?
yes.
Yes.
Okay. So from this, I'll take this total. But still, it is giving me an error. It is giving me in read mode. Why? What is the rule of message box? Hello, guys. What is the rule of message box?
We can display only string.
Only string. So is it a string format?
Mm.
No, right? So to
No.
take,
Number.
yes, so to take convert it into string. So before this end of the dollar, okay, over here, okay, before this end of the dollar, just simply put a dot. Okay, once you press a dot, automatically it will give you the conversion number to decrement. Means whatever the total amount, maybe 7, 8, it will go to decrement 6. Suppose the number is the output will be 7, 1 and it will go to your 8, kind of that one. Okay, and then last option is the number to string. So simply we will choose this option. Getting this point? How to convert
Okay.
it into
Mm.
string format? And now let's run it. Look, 7, right? So for more simplicity, how I'll write addition is 7. And let's run it. Getting this point, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So Roshna, can you share your screen and let's do
Mm.
this thing.
Mm. Yes. Mm.
Yeah, the process. Total is equal to 16. Getting this point? Okay, good. So now we have did that addition. Okay. So we will again see that how we can pass through the input one. Okay, means first name or second number, kind of that one. Now we did whatever did, that will be the static one, right? So now we will see that how to change the runtime values or before start values. If I want to change anything, how we can do that one. So already that thing we did into our previous thing, right? First name or second name. So same thing here also we will do. Only in that numbers you need to click on this use as input. So automatically it will open a new window, and there you can write the things. Let me show you. Right, this one. So suppose if I want to take the inputs from the user, simply use as input, apply. Same for second number, use as input and apply. Okay, and save it. And let's run it. So here, if you want to change the number, you can change the number. Okay, and second number, let it be like 4. So it will display like 14. Getting this one?
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose again, if I want to do the subtraction. So simply what I'll do, just change the assign, drag and drop here, first number minus second number, and as it is total, and run it. Getting this point? 10 minus 4 is 6. Clear with this? So these are very small operations, guys. Okay, but we are going to use multiple times this assign and everything. Okay, but just for your getting familiar, so that is the reason we are taking very basic things. Okay, so now again, let me show you something. Now, as I told earlier, okay, whatever the latest value of that variable, it will take that value, right? So simply what I'll do now, okay, I will do this minus means 10 minus 4, 6, it will become, right? So what I'll do, I'll assign total into first number. Getting this point? And again, I'll that assign to this total one. Okay. And we will take one message box. Here, I'll just display multiplication is dot to string. Getting this point? What we are doing? Whatever the addition, sorry, whatever the subtraction of this one, that is my output, and that output I am passing as an input for my multiplication. Getting my point?
Yes.
And again, same variable I am using, reuse of variable we can say. And let's run it. Now 10 and 4. So 10 minus 4, it should become 6, right? And 6 into first number means it should become 60. Now see, addition is 60 and multiplication is, sorry, addition is 6 and multiplication is 60. Getting this point? How we can reuse the
Yes.
variable? So likewise, whatever the latest value of that variable, it will take that latest value. Remember this. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So can you share your screen again? Yes, if you type VT also, it will automatically go to that variable.
It's fine. Hmm.
Getting?
Yes.
Yeah, good. So understood up to this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let me show you how you can add the note, or we can say the comments, okay, to your projects. Now suppose there is a huge project, okay. Now these are the small processes, but suppose some when you go for the live, there are the 200 lines, 500 lines, or more than that also, right? So suppose my bot is weaving by someone else, maybe for Sanchita or maybe by Roshna, correct? So when she will click on this particular thing, then only she got to know that this is for negative, or we can say minus, right? When Roshna will click on this one, that time only she will get to know that this is for multiplication, correct?
Yes.
So to identify that one or to add the note for that one, we have the option called as comments. So these comments, okay, simply drag and drop this comment over here, and means you can give a note simply over there. So support kind of this one. This is for subtraction. Okay, like comment. So again, I'll take over here, and this is for multiplication. Getting this point? So likewise, you can add the comments or notes over there. Now, whenever someone is going to see that, he will get an idea that these particular lines are for subtraction. This is for as for multiplication. Getting this point?
Yes.
How to add the comments? So easily you can also identify. Suppose you are using this program after 1 month also. So usually you can identify what is for subtraction, what is for multiplication, what is for division. Okay,
Okay.
getting this point?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So what simply I'll do, any doubt up to over here?
No.
Yeah. And one more thing, we cannot take directly the float values over here. Okay. They have not launched the directly float values over here. Okay. So to take their float numbers, we need to do some write some script and everything. But right now we can do everything with the string operations or the number operations or the digit operations. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.